So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it, and then click on yes, and now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine, and now you want to expand system, and now we're going to expand current control set, and now we're going to expand control, and now we're going to click on the printer folder. We're going to scroll down till we find print. Here it is. You're going to click on print, and now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And now once you're on this, you're going to right click on the white space, and then click on new, and then click on dword 32-bit value. We're going to call this RPC auth n level privacy enabled. Spell it with the same capitals and lowercase as I did, and then click on enter. And then once you have this right here, you're going to double click on it. Make sure that in this box right here, you have the value data on 0, and then click on OK. It's probably going to be on 0 by default. Just make sure that you have this on 0. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time, and then click on P on your keyboard. Now you want to find print spooler. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic, and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now you want to click on restart. You want to restart the print spooler service. And then once you complete both these steps, the problem should now be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, then just restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.